Hi, it's Rich Trani. Thanks for watching 2015 Editor's Day in Santa Clara. We're with Kurt Kelly. He is with Stream Technologies. Kurt, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich.
So I thought we'd start at the top. Many people who are watching probably know you're in the IoT space, but specifically what part of IoT do you guys play in?
Sure. So our main business focus right now is on the connectivity side. So simplifying the complex is our tagline. And what that means is basically any type of device that, whether it's be used in cellular, satellite, or low power radio, we help them get that device or solution connected to the internet for connectivity.
So the target market for your solutions is?
So it's several different ways. We look at the developer community for the guys that are building the devices, building the solution, putting it together, and we're kind of the last piece of the puzzle. Or we're looking at the enterprise side where we bring all of our partners in that have been vetted out, already connected to the platform itself, and help them deploy a solution into an enterprise class customer. Or even, to look at somebody that is partnering that wants to come in and look at offering solutions to our community of users of IoT solutions already today.
And in terms of the biggest pain you take away for the customers that buy from you, what sorts of things are you helping them with?
So the main thing is figuring out, how do I have a solution that is connected at all times, anywhere in the world, no matter what? And that's really where we come in and simplify that for them, take away the complexities. If you have an office here, if you have an office in Beijing, if you have an office in Glasgow, wherever the case may be, we have connectivity that we can help serve you there.
That's fantastic. And in terms of trends, what are you seeing in the market?
Right now, from an IoT trend, I would say the top one that we're looking at right now is transportation, followed probably by security.
So those are the bigger markets right now?
Yeah, those are the larger markets at this moment. And really, some of the things that we look at, too, is traditional landline being replaced with cellular technologies, or even just moving assets that you want to find out where it is at any moment in time. So people that are hauling either expensive assets or just something that is valuable to them as a company, and making sure that they know where it is at any moment.
A lot of times the insurance arbitrage really helps out in terms
Absolutely.
of paying for that, right?
It does.
We're in a golden age where arbitrage helps deploy more technology.
Right.
And then once the technology is deployed, there's tons of value that can be added,
That's right. That's right. Even new revenues. And so it's not just value to the company, but it could even be a new business model that gets offered by an enterprise. So if you're able to offer a service that you've never offered before, so let's just look at, just tracking as an example, because it's easy to understand. If at one moment in time you're a trucking company and you're going from, freight house number A to freight house number B, and during that process, if you wanted to offer your customers an opportunity to find out where their product is during the travel time, that could be an added service of revenue that you didn't have before. So just as an example.
That's fantastic. So what else should we know about the company?
So the company right now, the main thing is we have a huge differentiator in the market. There's other platforms that, that do connectivity. And the main thing that we do is we focus on the low power radio side of things, something that no other platform in the world can do at this moment in time. And we take pride in the way that we have aligned with Clara, as well as other standards that are low power radio as well. So we're working very closely with the hardware manufacturers, as well as even the companies that are building out the networks. So that's a big differentiator for Stream.
Fantastic. Are you allowed to talk at all about some of the future things we might see from the company?
Sure. So, I would say the main thing is it's going to be on the low power radio side. The other thing that we look at, too, is how we integrate one platform to another platform. And what I mean by that is there's different application platforms, analytics platforms, big data centers, things of that nature, that whenever we do an integration, we allow multiple companies to work with one another in the background. And so you might have 3 companies offering one solution, and we as Stream can come as a single point of communication. But in reality, there's 3 different people that are offering that service behind the scenes. And so that's something that's also very unique as well.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for being on the program.
Absolutely.
This is great.
Thank you, Rich.